Hey guys, Nomus RC. I just got in some silk gold PLA. I've been wanting for a few days now to print off a Star Trek ship, solid gold, but shiny gold. So I just grabbed one of these off of Thingiverse and dropped it into Prusa Slicer. You can see that it's bigger than the actual print area, plus this would be a horrible way to print it out. So we're going to cut it up. We'll do right about there and then click Perform Cut. And we'll get these parts separated. And then we're going to do one more. We'll do it right about there and Perform Cut. There we go. For settings, we're not going to do any infill whatsoever. I don't do infill on models like this. You just don't need it. 0.3 is what layer height we're going to do, which is technically crappy quality, but because it's such a big item, it's okay. There's my speed settings. And then that's the temperatures that I'm going to use. I do, after 2 layers, 100% cooling fans from then on. And then my other settings are pretty standard, my extruder settings. Alright, so let's hit slice and see what we're looking at. We're looking at 5 hours and 48 minutes. Not too bad at all for this big of a print. This will be about 12 inches total. It's like 400 millimeters. So let's go ahead and get this thing printing. All right, it looks like it turned out awesome. Lots of detail in this print. Very nice. Wow. Let's get it glued together and see what it looks like as a whole. Well, there we go. It's all glued together. Just use super glue. I really like this silk PLA stuff. This stuff is awesome looking. There's the Falcon that I did. I'm not done painting either one of those yet. This isn't going to get any paint. I'm just going to leave it as a golden beast. But wow. I am very impressed with the quality of this, especially for using 0.3 layer height. You know, it's technically like the worst quality setting that I could have set. But anyway, guys, there you go. That is how you can print yourself a golden Voyager.